Found everywhere throughout the body, muscles are tough, elastic tissues that contract to make our body parts move. We use muscles to walk, jump, throw a ball, or even blink an eyelid. Muscles in our chest make breathing possible. Muscles in our heart pump our blood throughout our circulatory system, and muscles in our stomach and intestines move food through our digestive tract. Muscles are responsible for maintaining our posture and, during physical activities, produce heat. About 40 to 50% of our body weight is made up of muscle tissue, a little more in men, a little less in women. These structures are responsible for every movement we make. All muscle tissue possesses 4 special properties. Excitability, which allows a muscle to receive and respond to stimuli. Contractility, which allows a muscle to contract or shorten. Extensibility, which enables a muscle to stretch. And elasticity, which allows a muscle to return to its original shape after contraction. And there are 3 kinds of muscle tissue: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Many skeletal muscles, like the biceps muscle, are spindle-shaped, which means they are fatter in the middle and taper towards the tendons at the end, where they attach to bones. The fatter part of the muscle is called the belly and is made up of bundles called fascicles. Each fascicle is itself a bundle of muscle fibers. Each fiber is a single cell running the full length of the muscle and can be up to 30 centimeters long. A single skeletal muscle fiber is an unusual cell. Unlike most of our body's cells, which each possess a single nuclei, it possesses multiple nuclei on its outer surface and is made up of bundles of myofibrils. Myofibrils themselves are made up of actin or myosin filaments, which are arranged end to end in separate units called sarcomeres. This gives muscle fiber its distinctively striated or banded appearance. The entire skeletal muscle structure is rather like a car antenna or telescope, multiple bundles tightly packed inside one another. Tissue surrounding the bundles contains blood vessels, which provide oxygen and fuel to the muscle, and nerve cells, which transmit signals to the muscle, causing it to contract. When a nerve signal is received, calcium is released inside the muscle fibers, which causes them to contract. Actual contraction occurs when thin actin filaments are pulled towards thicker myosin filaments, thus shortening the sarcomere. As this reaction takes place along each muscle fiber, the whole muscle contracts up to as much as 1/3 its normal length. Subsequently, as the muscle relaxes, the actin filaments slide back into their original positions, and the whole muscle expands back to its original length. Cardiac muscle tissue, also called the myocardium, forms the wall of the heart. The internal structure of cardiac muscle fibers is similar to skeletal muscle, though there is only one nucleus per cell. But cardiac muscle tissue has several special features. Our survival depends in large part upon our ability to adjust to changing conditions in our environment. Movement constitutes the major part of this adjustment. Although all the systems of the body have a role in body movements, it is the skeletal and muscular systems acting together which actually produce movements. The muscles of our body work together every minute of the day to keep our bodies moving and alive.